Well, the perfect bed.
Yes,
the perfect bed.
Who doesn't want that, right?
Well, I think we all do. I think we all want the perfect sleep.
Yeah.
Right?
But don't you need the perfect bed to have the perfect sleep?
God, he's getting too technical. Somebody here is going to help us make it more simple than what Tim's trying to tell me. The owner of Adjustable Beds Plus is here. Michael Marcus, thanks so much for coming in.
Hi, Carla.
And telling
Michael.
us what the perfect bed is and what we need for a great sleep.
Great questions, great questions. Perfect bed involves, I think, two main points. Sleep environment is really important. Having a room, your bedroom set up so it can be a perfect sleeping environment. Colors in your room, low lights. Obviously, accessories are the most important part of it. Pillows, linens.
Sleeping partner is pretty important too, right?
Sleeping partner can be important. It's a sanctuary for sure for sleep.
Of course.
Everybody gets really, like, I know my bed's not the most comfortable. I don't have the perfect bed, but I have an okay sleep because you just get kind of used to it, I think. And even though maybe in my bed there's a couple of springs poking through at certain times.
Oh. Really?
Time for a change, Tim. Time for a change.
That's a good question. How long do mattresses last?
Typically 5 to 7 years is a good guideline for mattress life. But of course, there's some telltale signs that you might want to switch that mattress even earlier. One of which is, of course, if you see any visible damage to the mattress, sagging or lumps in the bed, that's one telltale sign. Certainly, if you've slept at a hotel, at the Bellagio, or at a friend's house this weekend, and you have a better night's sleep there than you have at home, that's another good sign of it as well. And of course, the most important factor in all of that, if you're waking up with stiff bones, achy joints, sore bones, numbness, any sort of stiffness in your body, and you're tossing and turning, that's the #1 sign where it might be time for a new mattress.
You're Adjustable Beds Plus, and as soon as I hear adjustable beds, you know what I think? Is those late night infomercials with the couple and the older couple lying in bed, and one's adjusting it, and one's bringing it down. So let's go over some misconceptions about adjustable beds.
Yeah, well, that's one of the reasons why I got into the specialty bedding industry and the specialty bedding store, Adjustable Beds Plus, is to really break that stigma of adjustable beds. One of the major misconceptions is certainly that adjustable beds are just for older people. Really, they're not. Lifestyle has played a big part in our roles today. We have certain lots of different lifestyles we have.
Well, there's also different choices to choose from as well, right? I mean, when I go to a mattress store, and I just bought a mattress recently because I just went back to Toronto, and oh my gosh, there's like rows and rows and rows of mattresses and beds, and people are telling me different things, and you know.
There are a lot of choices. It can be overwhelming. The most important thing, again, a couple of signs that you want to do when you're buying it, is to look out for when you're buying a new mattress. One being certainly comfort. Lie down on it, test it out. Come into our store, Adjustable Beds Plus, lie down. We have a great selection of beds from Tempur-Pedic, Simmons, and Sealy.
What's Tempur-Pedic?
Tempur-Pedic is the innovator of what you may have seen or heard out on the market called memory foam. It's the viscoelastic memory foam. This is one version of a memory foam.
These are pillows, but we can kind of use an example here.
Exactly. This is a pillow. This is actually a memory foam product by Obisform, which also makes a memory foam product. But the Tempur-Pedic is really the innovator in the science of memory foam. And what it does is it contours to one's body. When it comes to using the pillows, what happens is the most important aspect to remember is spine alignment, proper spine alignment. So that's why in this pillow you can see it's got a bit of a contour to it. And the idea is that if you're a back sleeper or a side sleeper, is to have your neck lay on this portion of the pillow, and therefore you get proper spine alignment, leading to a better night's sleep, less tossing and turning, maybe less aches for your shoulders and neck.
So that would.
Do you want me to, can I hold this up this way? Can you see that way, Liz?
That's kind of tough to get on.
There you go.
But this side is definitely bigger. So I find I move around a lot when I'm sleeping. Is that like most people? Like, do you kind of toss and turn, or like when you have one spot? No, I'm in there and done. I'm out. I don't move.
Tossing and turning is again another sign that possibly you might need to change your mattress.
Maybe you need a new mattress. Well, considering he's got a few springs coming up, maybe that is the
Maybe that is the
Maybe you should go see Michael.
What's the difference between these two, Michael? So I know these are pillows, but is it kind of the pillows and mattresses somewhat the same?
Well, the material, yes, is absolutely
just because we don't have a bed to take a look at, right, or the mattress.
And again, keep in mind that there are different types of memory foam products out there. The Tempur-Pedic, again, is the innovator in it, and I really recommend going and spending a little bit more money. You never put a price tag on a good night's sleep for the Tempur-Pedic product,
because it is going to be a little bit more expensive.
A little bit pricier for sure, but certainly a good tool for
you won't be grouchy in the morning. Let's just say that.
Tim is never grouchy.
Never,
now, we started to talk about the late night commercials where the people were like coming and going. Are those adjustable beds as well? That if Tim and I, we had different sleep patterns or something?
Absolutely.
Really?
What adjustable beds allow for, it's really a great health and wellness tool, great health tool for your bedroom. Adjustable beds allow to adjust to any position that you want to sleep in. Our bodies aren't flat.
Oh, so here's a picture. So this is it right here then,
that happens, yes. That's the Tempur-Pedic adjustable bed. And that's featured at our store, of course. And again, going back to the health and wellness benefits of the adjustable bed, if you have any sort of snoring or breathing problems, certainly raising your head can help you with that. If you have any circulatory problems, certainly can increase blood circulation. So there's really a lot of good aspects to the adjustable bed.
Now, was this bed different that we're looking at right now than the last one?
A little bit different. We call this the split top cozy couples bed, and you can see it's a little bit unique because it's split just at the top portion of the bed. And it's unique to our store, actually. We're the only ones in Canada who carry this particular mattress. And what it does is it allows one partner to be up and burn the midnight oil, if you will, watch TV, read in bed, and then, of course, it allows the other partner to lie flat. So again, you have your own individual freedom.
Probably gets rid of a lot of arguments too.
Well, communication is key for sure.
Now, so you're the #1 seller of Tempur-Pedic mattresses and pillows in Canada?
We're the #1 seller of Tempur-Pedic adjustable beds in Canada, and again, that's what we specialize in. Our boutique store specializes in specialty bedding, including the adjustable beds, memory foam mattresses. Of course, we have a wide variety of Simmons and Sealy traditional innerspring mattresses as well. So we really concentrate on finding what's right for my customers who come into the store.
What's the difference between Simmons and Sealy, quickly?
Simmons and Sealy, two of the oldest mattress manufacturers in North America, both in an innerspring mattress, a traditional innerspring mattress. Both have their different stories. One is an individual pocket coil spring compared to a continuous coil spring, both very comfortable. Again, it's all about comfort. It's all about test driving the mattress.
You've got to get in there and sit
So do you have people coming in and having a good hour nap really to test it out?
From time to time, yeah, I do, and I encourage that for sure.
You do?
Absolutely. It's the only real good way to test out a mattress. Comfort is the number one factor in deciding if a new mattress is right for you. Certainly support is something you want to look at as well.
I just wouldn't feel comfortable going into your store and having a little nap in the afternoon. I know you would, but you can sleep on the hard surface.
And you know what? It's interesting because your store is just around the corner from the studio, too, right?
It is. It made this morning a lot easier to get here, for sure.
Right at Leslie.
Leslie in York Mills. We're at 1875 Leslie Street, which is on the east side of Leslie Street, just north of York Mills.
Right. Let me give out the website. We've got a few seconds left. www.bedsplus.ca for more information.
Lots
Michael,
of accessories,
thanks so much.
Check out the accessories.
Right. We'll be right back.
Cool.
Thanks,
Michael.